ARIIX Puritii water filter bottle is amongst the many water filter bottles on the market that have been growing in popularity amongst outdoor enthusiasts, mainly due to its portability, ease of use, and excellent filtration performance. It uses a very effective media that are able to clear out most of the harmful contaminants found in groundwater sources, including microorganisms and chemical contaminants. It's effective for filtering both untreated and treated water, such as municipal water. ARIIX has also designed the bottle such that it's quite sturdy and durable, ideal for outdoor conditions. It's equally easy to use and offers a decent capacity that can hold enough water to quench your thirst over short to medium distance walks or hikes. In this video, we'll be looking at this water bottle to give you more insight about it, particularly its performance when it comes to removing contaminants, how well it's built, and if it's easy to carry and use. The ARIIX Puritii offers a relatively large holding capacity compared to other water filter bottles. It can hold 25 ounces, or 740.5 milliliters, of water with the filter in place. That's more than the capacity of most water bottles, as they usually hold about 20 ounces or less. Still, though, a 25-ounce capacity is not ideal for long hikes. But it's pretty decent and could sustain you more on short treks, especially when your next water source isn't far away. The flow rate is also decent. And this is mainly because of the large surface area provided by the pleat pack. You can draw up to 9.1 milliliters of filtered water per second, which is fairly fast and puts it at par with other top water filter bottles that use a straw such as Servimate, which has a flow rate of 550 milliliters per minute. The only criticism is that it takes some good suction in order to pull the water through the filter. But this is expected because the filter media, particularly the loose granular media, is so fine, hence creating quite a bit of resistance to the flow. As for the filtration capacity, the ARIIX Puritii filter will be able to filter around 60 gallons of water before requiring replacement. That's similar to approximately 400 bottles of water or 2 months lifespan with daily use. Considering that most people usually drink around 2 liters of water per day, you'll get plenty of gallons of clean water before you need to change the filter. However, you may have to change it early if you often filter water with high levels of contaminants. The bottle itself is simple to clean because it contains minimal parts that detach easily. Plus, when you unscrew the lid, the opening is wide enough to accommodate a standard dish scrubber, which means you can actually clean it all the way to the bottom with the scrubber. The cap and spout are also easy to clean. There's no need for any special storage with this ARIIX Puritii bottle because the filter has antimicrobial properties built right into it. So you don't really need to worry about storing it wet. You can store it right in the bottle, although it's always recommended to dry it thoroughly before storing it. There's also no need to service the filter by performing any kind of complicated backwashing or other procedures to restore the flow. The flow is great throughout the filter's life. All you have to do is replace it on time, after 2 months, to ensure maximum protection against all kinds of waterborne contaminants. The ARIIX Puritii is certainly a perfect option if you are after a water filter bottle that features a comprehensive filtration system that's capable of effectively removing a wide range of contaminants, including microorganisms, chemicals, and heavy metals. It's particularly suitable for filtering untreated water or microbiologically unsafe water, which is basically water from groundwater sources like wells, streams, rivers, and lakes. If you are an adventurer or traveler, then this is a water filter bottle that you might really want to consider. Not just because of the highly effective filtration system but also because it's easy to use and offers a slightly larger holding capacity than most regular water filter bottles. It's more reliable than other bottles, especially for short or medium-distance treks in areas where water sources are located a little far from each other.